a futuristic cityscape with towering skyscrapers, neon lights, and advanced AI robots walking alongside humans. A giant digital screen displays AI revolution. Will robots replace humans? While a human looks at a robotic hand reaching out toward them, symbolizing the rise of AI. Hi everyone, I'm Hafiz Turk. Today we're diving deep into one of the most debated topics in the world of artificial intelligence. Will robots and AI replace humans in the future? As AI continues to evolve at an astonishing pace, many people fear that human jobs, creativity, and even decision-making could be overtaken by machines. But how much of this fear is real, and how much is just speculation? In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming industries, the jobs at risk, the human skills AI cannot replace, and what the future holds for our coexistence with intelligent machines. So, make sure to watch till the end to get a complete picture of where we're headed. How AI is replacing jobs and transforming industries. AI is already reshaping industries worldwide. Automation and machine learning algorithms are making processes faster, cheaper, and more efficient. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots can assemble products at high speed with incredible precision, reducing the need for human labor. In the financial sector, AI-driven algorithms analyze massive datasets, predict stock market trends, and even provide personalized financial advice without human intervention. In healthcare, AI is diagnosing diseases more accurately than some doctors, thanks to its ability to process medical images and recognize patterns that humans might miss. Even creative fields are feeling AI's impact. AI-generated music, artwork, and even news articles are becoming more common. However, this does not necessarily mean AI will take over all jobs. Instead, it is changing the nature of work, eliminating some roles while creating new opportunities. The jobs most at risk and the future of employment. Certain jobs are more vulnerable to AI-driven automation than others. Repetitive, rule-based jobs, such as cashiers, data entry clerks, and telemarketers, are at high risk of being replaced. AI-powered chatbots are already handling customer service inquiries, and self-checkout machines are reducing the need for human cashiers. The transportation industry is also experiencing a shift with the rise of self-driving cars and delivery drones. However, while some jobs are disappearing, new ones are emerging. AI engineers, data scientists, cybersecurity experts, and ethical AI specialists are in high demand. Additionally, AI is expected to enhance human jobs rather than replace them entirely. Professionals in healthcare, education, and creative fields will likely work alongside AI, using it as a tool to improve productivity rather than a replacement. What AI cannot replace: the power of human intelligence. Despite AI's advancements, there are areas where human intelligence remains unmatched. AI may process data quickly, but it lacks emotional intelligence, empathy, and moral reasoning. Jobs that require human connection, such as therapists, teachers, social workers, and caregivers, are difficult to automate. Creativity is another area where humans hold a strong advantage. While AI can generate images, write scripts, and compose music, it lacks the originality, imagination, and deep understanding of human emotions that define true artistry. Moreover, AI struggles with complex decision-making in uncertain or dynamic environments. Businesses, politics, and law require human judgment, ethics, and negotiation skills that AI cannot replicate. Even in technology, AI requires human oversight to ensure fairness, accountability, and ethical considerations in decision-making. the future of AI and human coexistence. Instead of fearing AI, we should focus on how to coexist with it. The future isn't about AI replacing humans. It's about humans and AI working together to build a smarter world. Governments and organizations must focus on reskilling workers to adapt to new AI-driven roles. Education systems should prioritize teaching skills that AI cannot replace, such as critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and problem-solving. As AI continues to evolve, ethical considerations will become more important. We must ensure AI is used responsibly, with regulations that prevent job displacement and ensure fair opportunities for everyone. The key to the future lies in balance, leveraging AI's capabilities while preserving human values and intelligence. So, will AI replace humans? The answer is no, at least not entirely. While AI will transform industries and automate certain jobs, it cannot replace human creativity, emotional intelligence, and decision-making skills. Instead of fearing AI, we should embrace its potential and prepare ourselves for a future where technology and humanity go hand in hand. What do you think about AI's role in the future? Will it create more opportunities or pose a threat to human jobs? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI-related content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.